Hey guys, welcome back to pigfarmingja876. Welcome back to a brand new video. Take a look at what's going on the farm today, guys. We have there are so many pigs that break out from this side of pigfarmingja. The grass is definitely green on the other side. Lots of pigs break out, you know. All this is in is muck and mud. They also break off our piping and leak out our water from the drum. Look at how they did here. It's just crazy, guys. And we have a surprise for you guys. This took us like some months, but you know, you guys see the blue tarpaulin. Does it look familiar? Okay. Our farm has now expanded and we now have chicks. Yeah. We have about 100 in right now. And this is just a little section of the entire nursery, guys. Like, we have probably this nursery can hold up to about 500 or more because it's split in 3. And let's look at how it's looking. So in a few weeks from now, you guys will see them. They'll be down here though. We're just getting our gutters ready because you know it's rain season here. And we have this 600-gallon tank. So we want the rain to fill up. That's why we're gonna be setting up some gutters. But anyways, let me go and show you guys our newbies. I'm excited to see them. Oh, they are wet. Oh my lord. They're wet. Wieners. And some more fat babies. These ones are very fat. I love these ones so much. Got a fat one in the corner. They're just looking nice. Yeah, so we're gonna have this mama sow taken out from here and move her into a dry pen and give her some dry sawdust. Or if you don't have any sawdust, then it's gonna move it into a dry pen so the babies can stay healthy and nice. Guys, so look at who is getting weaned today. Yes, they are getting weaned today, Sunday. One of them is not looking so healthy, but we're gonna move him in our new weaner suite very shortly. Here goes the mamas. They're like, why are you observing my babies? Anyway, guys, that's them. You guys will see them moving shortly. Look at these 3 guys. That one at the back though is growing very rapid. You guys probably don't know them because I've barely ever shared them on the channel, but this one probably will be ready to breed next month. These three belong to Shaka. They're looking amazing. That one at the end is the fattest. That brand right there is castrated, and this one is for, I think it's butchering purpose. I'm not sure yet, but nevertheless they're looking amazing. One has a sick leg. We also have the brand and Sheila in here. Sheila is probably, yeah, Sheila took service already. Look at that seed at the back. You can know it's a very good service brand, guys, when the brand has two large seed at the back. But that's him, and he has been doing a good job so far. He has a lot of babies. I'm gonna tell you at the end of the year how much babies we got from him. New winner section right now. They're working on some boarding up. We have them two here in the bucket. Them out for jump out though. Oh god, they are so big. Yeah. Alright, so put him by the piglet then. You know what, come on. Move from there. Knock her back again, quick. Alright. Guys, that was crazy and very hectic. Not today at all. We're gonna swap this one back in the big fat one pen, which is right there, because the big fat one is in her pen. This sow, she has a very thick leg. We are spraying it though, so hopefully come on soon. But that's her right here. We're not gonna put her back for brand service until she put on a lot more pound and her leg is better. So if that doesn't happen, then you know what time it's gonna be for her. Next, nailing up again. And just like a finger snap, it's done. We have one more to touch part right here to fix right there. Let's see if we can do a next finger snap and put them in. They're in. Then another snap. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are our new winners. We win them today, as you guys just see. They're going to be in for at least a month before we consider selling any, at least. That's not on the agenda right now. Especially in case you guys are asking, no, we're not going to be selling any right now. Once we do, you guys will be notified. Instagram or YouTube. They're new to here, so they're going to walk around and look place to escape. Go back to mama's pen, but it's not going to work like that because we properly cage them, you know. But for right now, we're just going to put on a nipple and the pen so they have water right around once the water is in the drum. Everybody is noisy, guys. They know it's feeder time. Noisy, noisy. They are very, very noisy, guys. You guys can hear them. First day of weaning feeding. Let's see what them are going angry. Them gets a little over half. Over here now, guys. This white one is afraid of this fat one. I told you. I'm gonna eat them and I move. Dry grass for the babies to keep them warm all day and all night. Ooh. Still have the jump to full up. To get him sprayed up. Woo! Boom, boom. And just like that, all our work is done and it's about to start rain, so we're gonna leave out now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy. See you guys in our next video. Until then, bye bye.